Hi friends. In today's situations, time to time, many of us feel low, upset, frustrated, angry and lousy for no apparent reason. Our focus is set on the negative and we are having difficult time cheering ourselves up. I am Laila Ahmed, intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Today I am going to share with you 5 simple strategies to stay cheerful apart from what's going on in the environment. After my last video where I stated simple technique, someone said it is simple but not so easy. Yes, all my techniques are simple, but simple and easy are not always the same thing. So when I say simple strategies to remain cheerful, you will have to actually work on this. It is simple, only if you are willing to work on it. So let's begin. Number 1 strategy. Let go of the harsh judgments. Judgments of yourself and judgments of others. To do this, you have to first notice that you are judging. Have you noticed that you are constantly judging? You are judging yourself, you are judging your family, you are judging your friends, you are judging your co-workers, you are judging your relationship. And it might be that you are judging me, and that's alright. We can't turn this off as it is our psychology. What we can do is to judge less harshly. Choose to be compassionate. Choose to exercise forgiveness. You know how you are willing to be compassionate, understanding, loving and forgiving? This will change the game for you. This will turn the table around and allow you to be much more cheerful. So yes, be less judgmental and love more. Can you just imagine how that is going to feel as you let go of some of that harsh judgment? And that's enough reason to do it right. Beside the fact that it is going to improve your relationship and almost everything about your life. Strategy number 2. Serve someone. Serve. It is a well-known fact that when you get out of your own way, when you stop thinking about your own stuff for a little while and just connect with someone else, in a way that allows you to lift and elevate and also bless their life. It helps to take you away from your problems that you have been facing in your life. And you get to be more cheerful about that. So the moment you are serving others, service is a powerful psychological strategies that allows you to connect at some really important level with what's really going on to improve your life. It's going to have a positive benefit on the people you serve, and this will help you to be more cheerful in your life. Strategy number 3. Take care of your body, mind and soul. There are at least 4 things you need to pay attention to take care of all these 3 things. Get enough sleep. Eat a good, balanced, healthy diet. Regular exercise and regular spend some time praying and meditating. You can join my free WhatsApp group Power of an Hour on WhatsApp. The link will be shared in the description below. This kind of learning might help you to make some lifestyle changes to balance your body, mind and soul, and this will make you more cheerful. Strategy number 4. Surround yourself with more positive people. Have you heard this common saying that you will become most like the 5 people you are hanging out with the most? Does this make you think that who you are hanging out with? Especially if those people tend to be negative or they are focused on things that draw you down instead of lift you up and elevate you. Spend any expenses that is necessary. Travel any distance that you have to, so that you surround yourself with more positive people. This will be more towards helping you remain cheerful than almost anything else on the list. This is powerful. We have a social influence on each other, and you already know that you are affected by the people that you are hanging out with. So surround yourself with more positive people and remain cheerful. Last strategy to be cheerful, strategy number 5. I think you are going to love this one. At least I do. It is journaling. Journaling is a powerful activity that allows your mind to reflect on and remember and remind you of the things that are already great and awesome in your life. Focus on gratitude. If you were to journal about just the thing that you are grateful for, that would be phenomenal. It changes the mental space that you are working with in your mind, and it shifts your energy big time. That allows you to be more cheerful as you are journaling. You might also record things that you have learned. You will record things about the people that you have met or interacted with, or you would also write about the influence you had in your life, things that have inspired you. So this will help to put it into your long-term memory when you are writing, and it serves as a resource for you as you move forward in your life, because you can always go back to that journal and reflect on the great, powerful, rich, abundant life that you have, and that will give you all kind of reasons to be cheerful and also be happy. Sometimes you get lazy to do simple things. That is why I provide resources for you through my coaching program. Connect through WhatsApp, where you can find various sessions and groups that I talk about here on YouTube. I'll be sharing the link in the description below. I hope that you will find that very helpful. Do share these videos with those who you think can benefit. So let's together make a difference. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet done it. Until we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.